Hello, little adventurers, and welcome back to Giggles and Tales. I'm Tilly Tales, and I have a wonderfully colorful story for you today. Are you ready for a magical journey? Great. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a land filled with sunshine and smiles, lived a curious little girl named Lila. Lila's best friend wasn't another person, but a fluffy, bouncy cloud named Puffy. One sunny afternoon, while playing hide-and-seek, Puffy drifted towards a shimmering, magical forest they had never seen before. "Wow, Puffy, look!" Lila exclaimed, her eyes wide with wonder. "It's a rainbow forest!" But as they got closer, they noticed something was wrong. The forest, which should have been bursting with every color imaginable, looked, well, a little bit faded. The brilliant reds were turning a pale pink, and the vibrant blues looked like a washed-out sky. "Oh no," whispered Lila. "The colors are disappearing." Puffy bobbed his head in agreement, looking sad. Determined to help, Lila took a deep breath and stepped into the forest with Puffy floating right beside her. Inside, everything was magical, but muted. They saw trees that should have been glowing green, but were now just a faint mint. They walked past flowers that should have sparkled like yellow diamonds, but now only had a tiny glimmer. Soon, they met a little squirrel with a droopy tail. "What's wrong, little friend?" Lila asked gently. The squirrel, whose name was Squeaky, pointed with a tiny paw towards the heart of the forest. "The rainbow crystal," he chattered sadly. "It's losing its shine, and it gives the whole forest its color." Lila and Puffy knew they had to find this rainbow crystal. As they ventured deeper, they met more forest friends. A wise old owl named Hoot, whose feathers were a dull brown instead of a deep purple, told them the crystal needed a special kind of magic to shine again. The magic of teamwork and joy. A family of bunnies, whose fur was a soft gray instead of bright orange, hopped along to help. Together, the new team followed a sparkling but faint rainbow path. The path led them through fields of sleepy bluebells and over streams that barely gurgled with green. It was clear the whole forest was feeling down. Finally, they reached a clearing. In the center, on a mossy pedestal, sat a large, beautiful crystal. It flickered with weak rainbow light, looking tired and dim. "We have to help it," Lila declared. She remembered what Hoot the owl said about teamwork and joy. "I have an idea," she chirped. "Everyone, let's do something that makes us happy." Lila started to sing her favorite happy song. Puffy, her cloud friend, began to drizzle a gentle, sparkling rain that tickled everyone. Squeaky the squirrel did a silly, spinning dance, and the bunnies started a fun game of leapfrog, giggling as they hopped over each other. As their laughter and happiness filled the clearing, something truly magical happened. Tiny, glowing specks of magical dust, red, yellow, green, and blue, began to float from their joyful activities. The dust swirled in the air and drifted towards the rainbow crystal. With each speck of happy dust that touched it, the crystal pulsed with a brighter light. The pale pinks deepened into vibrant reds, the soft mints burst into emerald greens, and the washed-out blues became brilliant sapphires. Soon, the entire crystal was glowing with a magnificent, dazzling rainbow, sending waves of color washing back through the entire forest. The trees lit up, the flowers sparkled brighter than ever, and all the animals' colors returned in a brilliant flash. Squeaky's tail was a fiery red again, Hoot's feathers shone a royal purple, and the bunnies were a cheerful, bright orange. The whole forest was alive with color and happy sounds. The animals cheered for Lila and Puffy, thanking them for bringing the magic back. Lila hugged Puffy tightly. "We did it, Puffy. We saved the rainbow," she giggled. They had learned that the most powerful magic of all is the happiness we create together. And so, Lila and Puffy waved goodbye to their new friends, promising to visit again soon. The rainbow forest was more beautiful than ever, all thanks to a little bit of teamwork and a whole lot of joy. Wasn't that a wonderful adventure? The rainbow forest is safe and sound. If you loved our story, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Giggles and Tales for more magical adventures with me, Tilly Tales. See you next time, little explorers. Bye bye.